Hello, welcome to Diamond C. I'm here with Jacob, VP of Sales and Marketing.
Louder, what?
A little louder.
I'm saying it loud.
Diamond C love.
Put the bell on your chest.
I mean, put a little stank on it. Come on.
My favorite Christmas tradition is opening present.
Okay, a little louder, please.
No. Okay.
This dump trailer's strong, just like me. That's low profile, extreme duty. Duty.
What's up, brother? How you doing?
There's the Grinch just in time. In green and all.
It's straight on Insta stories, bro. What do you know? This DOD back here, it goes hard in the paint. I don't even know. They also selected the 36-inch depth stick. The depth stick? The heck is that?
Okay, a little more excitement. 1, 2, hit it.
A little more excitement?
Yeah.
Really? I thought I was bringing it.
Now I'm getting nervous, bro.
Oh, I thought you were gonna ask me the question. Now do it again.
Cool. Is that good?
Hi there, Diamond C friends and family. Thank you so much.
Just say, hey guys.
Oh, I gotta act like I'm talking to somebody.
Well, talk to me. I'm right here.
Yeah, I put some Miracle Grow on it over the weekend. I look like I'm about to blow away.
Channel 7 News.
Gobble, gobble.